today's regulatory environment, workplace safety is not optional, it is a legal and operational priority. The 20 Safety Training Consultancy Services partners with companies to ensure full compliance with law requirements while strengthening internal safety systems and minimizing operational risks. We deliver comprehensive, DOLE-compliant programs including basic occupational safety and health, construction occupational safety and health, loss control management, HIRAC training, Safety Officer 1, 2, and 3 certification, heavy equipment testing and certification. Our objective is simple: protect your workforce, protect your operations, protect your company by working with 1020 SDCS. Your organization benefits from reduced risks of penalties and work stoppage, improve audit and inspection readiness, strengthened safety leadership and accountability, structured compliance documentation support, flexible training schedules tailored to your operations. We understand that for management, safety is about risk management, cost control, and operational continuity. That is why our programs are structured to deliver measurable compliance and practical implementation, not just certification.